Hi guys, welcome back to Mike Bros. Today, we're going to play a cool tune on this keyboard. First, we're going to switch the keyboard on, and as you can see these letters here, they play the music at a different tone, like this. And we're going to play this tune using these notes: E, C, E, 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 G, F, E, D, E, D, B, D, 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 F, E, D, E, C, E, E, G. Now this is how you play 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. Let's start with the E key, then C, then E. 3 times. Let's try it. And then you do this. G, F, E. Yes, this here is B, the lower B. Let's try it. Oops, let's try again. F, E, D, E, C, E, E, G. Now, we're gonna play the full thing together. Here it goes. This is an amazing tune. Now that definitely sounds like 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. Let me try again. That was amazing. Let's play one more time. That was amazing. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!